How to delete saved locations on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete the memorized locations you have visited on your phone. Location tracking is a very useful thing and is used in various places. A large number of applications use location and it is crucial for their work. The location is also saved in your phone and there is a location history. How can you check and delete this history? Open Settings on the phone. When the settings open, find the Privacy and Security section and tap on it. A large number of options will open here, where we need the one at the top of this list, Location Services. In the new menu, we will scroll through the options until we find the System Services option. When we find it, we will tap on it. In the new list of options, we will find the Significant Location option and tap on it. To open this option, you need Touch ID or Face ID or phone code. When you have entered it, a window will open where you can see the history of your locations, and at the very bottom you can delete it by tapping on the Clear History button. And that is all. In this way you can manage the history of your locations. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.